This is Dr. Melissa Sundermann. I'm a physician, board certified in both internal medicine and lifestyle medicine, and I'm truly honored to be one of the upcoming speakers at the SOMI Lifestyle Medicine Conference. I will be speaking on the topic of how to optimize your brain health utilizing the pillars of lifestyle medicine. We now know that lifestyle behaviors, how we live our life on a day-to-day basis, can have a tremendous effect on our future brain health. So I will be sharing how the pillars of lifestyle medicine, including nutrition, physical activity, sleep optimization, avoidance of risky substances, stress management, positive social connection, and daily exposure to nature and fresh air, how these pillars can be utilized in practice to help maintain our brain health so that we can go forward and have a life full of vitality, wellness, and longevity. So I look forward to seeing all of you and learning from all of you.